Hello and welcome to College Algebra today. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Today we get to look at quadratic functions. We're going to look at the graphs of quadratic functions and then also modeling quadratic functions. So this is something you have definitely seen before. You see it in Algebra 1 or you're introduced to this idea. And you see it again in Algebra 2, although it's a pretty difficult concept. And we're going to look at it again kind of briefly in College Algebra. But you're going to look at the graphs of functions. One thing that's kind of tricky here is your book refers to what we always call vertex form, standard form. And so we're going to switch those like you're used to seeing them like most books do. So the author of this book is kind of the oddball out. So most people use vertex form, call vertex form a times x minus h squared plus k. So with the h and k is vertex form where you can see the vertex. And then standard form is the ax squared plus bx plus c. So in the video that you watch, there's a notes worksheet to download. There's 2 videos. In those videos you watch, I'll refer to them as vertex form and standard form. If you read the directions carefully in your homework, you'll think, well, maybe it's already in standard form. What's that mean? If you're asked to change form in your book, then just do the other form. So if it's in standard form, change it to vertex form. If it's in vertex form, change to standard form. You'll probably figure that out, especially if you look at the answer key in the back, you can see what they mean, or just look back in the section and that can clarify too. Hopefully I didn't just confuse you more than I would have or you would have been if I would have said nothing. But anyway, reach out if you have questions on that. But there's a notes worksheet for you to download. There's 2 videos. I broke it into 2 videos today for you to watch. Take your time working through those videos. Really try to learn through them. So do the math with them. Pause the video often and give yourself time to think. And then there's an assignment for you to submit on Schoology. Make sure you're checking your work in the back of the book to make sure you're doing it right or wrong, so you know. And if you get questions wrong, ask for help. Email me or jump on the Zoom room and get those questions cleared up. But good luck today and enjoy quadratic functions.